So today I'm going to show you how to make this super simple birthday bouquet. So if you want to learn how, keep watching. Here's what you will need. You're going to need a cup. You're going to need some pruners or scissors. You'll also need some type of floral foam. I went with these circle ones because it should be pretty easy to just drop in the cup. And then you'll need some skewers, whatever items that you'll be adding to your bouquet. So today I'm doing this Trader Joe's face mask. I'm going with the yellow theme, obviously. This face mask from Tony Moly, Touchland hand sanding. This Brooklyn Ellis hair mist fragrance, and then Sacred hair oil. And the last thing that you need is flowers. All of the flowers that I got from Trader Joe's, and then we'll use these to decorate this. And then the last thing that you'll need is a glue gun. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. I have about 10 minutes to do this, so we'll see how far we go. And then I will come back if I don't finish, because I don't think I'm gonna finish. So I think what I'm gonna do is add a little bit of like paper at the bottom and then do the floral closer to the top, because I need the sticks to be longer and the flowers to be shorter. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna use my extra like Trader Joe's bag to just fill that at the bottom so you can see. So let's go ahead and fill, because I want this to be like right at the top. I think that's perfect. Let me just add one more. So I kind of did it halfway. And then if you want to get floral foam to fill the whole thing, be my guest, but it doesn't make sense. Okay, so it's about a third from the top or 2/3 up. And then from there, I'm actually gonna take some cellophane and put it in first, so that the person who I'm giving this to doesn't have to like worry about trying to clean this really hard, like any green residue or whatever. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna soak these in water first, and then I'm gonna add them in here. If I need to, I can push the paper down a little bit more. It's very flexible, but I'm gonna go ahead and add water to these, open these, add water to it, and then I'm going to put them in the cellophane. So, be right back. Okay, so I wet the floral foam, I put it in the cup. I only needed one, so that's great. So now what I'm actually gonna do is work on the floral arrangement. So I have a selection of flowers. I got dahlias. I wanted to go with the yellow theme. So I got dahlias, I got some spray roses. I also got some lilies. Where are they? Oh, calla lily. So I'm gonna start with that. I also bought white and greenery, but I might not need it. We'll see. So yeah, I'm gonna use some of my greenery as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and put those together. I got about 3 minutes, so let's see how far we get. I'll just take my pruners and get to going and see how much I can do in this small amount of time. Oh, and then I think I'm gonna start with these at the top. Here. I think I'm gonna do a couple of these at the bottom. I don't know what I'm about to do. But we're just gonna cut. Cut. Oh, it's cut. I'm like, what the heck? This boy is strong. So the colors. Cut, cut. Oh, that's a cut. Alright. Let's cut these a little smaller. There we go. I'm gonna do 3 at the bottom. These are not sharp. What the heck? Wow. I thought they were cute, but I don't think I like them. All right, so we got those, and then we're gonna add in, let's just add our dahlias, and then I think I'm good, to be honest. These went really good. Alright, so. Oh, cute. Where's my fork? This is the fork. So we're gonna do like. Oh, I love this. Cute. And then maybe. I wish I could have did a tall one, but I'm tripping. Maybe I'll do a short one like this one. I didn't cut some things. How cute. That is so cute. The dahlias are amazing. We can cut this one shorter. Let's do, I kind of want this one further towards the back. And then let's do this one here. I might do it the other way. Make it work. This one back here. And then maybe like over here. Yeah, that's cute. Okay. So let's add this. There we go. That's cute. Love that. Is that all that I needed? What? That's so cute. So freaking cute. Okay. Do we want to add sperm? Let's just add a few really quick. Negative. What do we want to add? Calla lilies. Ooh, let's add calla lilies. And then maybe a few spray roses. And then we'll leave them. Maybe we'll add. Do I say calla lilies? So we're gonna add some calla lilies. Yeah, I am. I wish this stem was. Let's try the punch with the straw. I'll add I think that will be it. Let's get this down just a little. Get my hat look better. Bless you. Gonna add this in here. Uh-oh. All right, and then one more. Then I need to go, and then we'll come back, and then we'll add in the final touches. But here's how it's looking so far. I think that's so cute. I think I might add something right here. That's how we're looking. I'll be back. Oh, that's good. That holds. That stays up. Need to tape this. I'm just gonna pull it back. Now we have these things glued to the sticks. We're gonna try and fit them in. I also stuck this in here to put the straw on so I don't have to jam the straw in. So I'm just gonna put it where it makes sense. Hopefully it makes sense. It looks good there. That's not gonna stay. So this needs to be closer to the bottom. So I need to cut this. So you might have to cut some of your sticks. This for sure needs to be close. So hopefully that stays. Okay, we're gonna try a little mango back here perhaps. Okay, that worked. Well, you can't really see it anymore. Let's try you. Cool. That works. And then we have to add our sacred, which I'm gonna put the sacred over here. Hopefully you stay up a little more. Better. Okay, sacred is in there. And then I'm gonna put the top right on there. And let's do, I don't want to ruin the flowers. So we'll just put the top there. And then we'll just fit the masking somewhere. The mask, I don't know, because should we put it like right here? Yeah, let's put the mask right here to fit it in somewhere. So let's see. Just the material. So there it is. This is what we're looking